Welcome back to another episode, and this is when I first viewed my luxury apartment and showing you around all of the amenities which is available here.
That's the Empress.
And I lived here for 7 months because I traveled back between Ghana and US due to work and just my different business endeavors. This was a phenomenal property to live at. It also includes this beautiful Persia restaurant, which has a plethora of different cuisine available for you to order, just a wide variety of different dishes, meals that you can eat that were all so delicious. Drinks available here as well. Just luxurious vibes it's giving. So this is me walking and showing just the different elements that this property has available. And I just like the scenery of the outdoor area. Very beautiful atmosphere where there's a nice sitting area, there's a pool, there's a sitting area, there's a gym. Everything you can imagine in this apartment there's also a restaurant within the building. Yes, a Persia restaurant. And the amenities here are endless.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Treadmill, they have the bike, they have weights here as well. And they have exercising trampoline. So this is a huge space here. The amenities which this apartment includes is air conditioning, housekeeping, kitchen, tableware, plates, bowls included, towels, bed sheets, washer and dryer, fully furnished apartments, clean towels, bed sheets, housekeeping, room service, 24-hour security, food delivery, TV, internet, gym, restaurants, movie theater. There's a pool, there's a meeting room. So I'll leave below in the description a full list of the amenities available here. And the purple pinkish building across there is actually Belle Aqua's property. Just a phenomenal view here. Also very close to shopping centers, very close to ShopRite, the main ShopRite in Osu, close to the airport. So this place was a great location in Cantonments, a different perspective. This is when I first viewed the apartment prior to me being here for 7 months. They're going to be cleaning this area. It's so this is the room. And this room has a connection. You can see this beautiful, beautiful, phenomenal view. So I do have a travel company, Luxury Travel Ghana. For increase in reference to apartments, real estate, property management, please email us at luxurytravelgh@gmail.com. Okay guys, I had a long day. I had to move into my new spot. We also went shopping for my mom's dress for her birthday. This is my bedroom. And this is my bathroom. This is where you turn on the light. Oh my God, so beautiful. Look at it. Clean.
and so neat. And I just am in love with this scenery. My mom is here. My mom's bathroom. And this is the bedroom. For my mom is also big as mine, and it's very spacious and just beautiful vibes. I just get from this apartment, I just feel so much positivity, positive vibes, and I just love it here. You know, there is a bathroom over here. I'm just loving the vibes, okay? Just loving the vibes. And we just warmed up our food and we are getting ready to eat. Whew, yummy, yummy, yummy. Cantonments and garden egg stew. Okay, so here's a little bit of some videos of
Also,
where we
you
are
have
staying.
the option to
Very beautiful,
accessible
very luxurious.
Uber.
It's
You can
so
Uber
amazing.
everywhere you want to, and also different car services are available in
My
Ghana.
bedroom
And that's
is
again
here, so we just
a
settled in.
just a look at the tremendous
And
view, and that's Belle Aqua's
outside,
property. Believe that's his home.
Sorry,
The
we're
home
drying
where
some
Belle
of our
Aqua's
mats
family
here.
lives. It's just
But the outdoor is
across,
so
and
beautiful.
the scenery here just was remarkable. Waking up every morning and just taking in the
This is
beautiful
the
view.
balcony. So
Email
nice.
us, your #1 source for luxury real estate, apartments, and property management in Ghana. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for my next episode.